I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the tank back precisely and cutting the vinyl wallpaper with a 1 centimeter margin so you can align it easily. Once cut, confirm the paper is aquarium safe and non-toxic. This prevents leaching into the water. Clean the glass with a vinegar solution, then dry with a lint-free cloth so the adhesive bonds well. Now position the top edge, hold steady, and slowly lay it down. This first placement sets the alignment for the entire application. Once aligned, you choose wet or dry method depending on the backing. Spray dechlorinated water for repositionable vinyl or apply adhesive as instructed. Make sure to start smoothing at the center and squeegee outward toward the edges. This forces out air and water and prevents trapped bubbles. For stubborn spots, lift slightly and re-squeegee. A soft cloth and plastic card avoid scratching. Once smooth, trim excess along corners with a sharp blade, leaving a small gap near silicone seals to prevent. To finish, inspect all edges and, if any lift, apply a thin bead of aquarium-safe silicone. Let it cure fully before refilling. Reinstall decor and plants and refill the tank slowly so water pressure doesn't peel the backing. If you see isolated bubbles after installation, don't panic. A tiny pinhole lets trapped air escape. Press gently to flatten and then patch with a small cut from the same wallpaper. This tip prevents peeling and keeps the background visually seamless and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.